Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Hope you guys have been enjoying the series so far and learning along the way, practicing as well, I hope. Um, I know last time we left where we were discussing the custom time selector buttons. So I will not go in detail again where we left, but what I've done as a homework is build two new buttons, and I can show you what they look like. So if you remember, we had a selection table and we discussed how we will build quarter to date using this variable. So all I've done is created two new variables, year start and last year start, that capture dynamically the start of this year as well as the last year, and then fed that information into year to date and last year to date selection buttons. But I can leave that for you to investigate and be a bit more experimental and try new things on your own. I'll be sharing all of this at the end of this video series for all of you to look at. Okay. All right. So, having said that, I think our uh, page looks really neat. And if you want to analyze it now, you can click on last 52 weeks year and 52 weeks 1 year ago. So you can keep comparing the data. Similarly, if you have year to date, you can compare it with last year to date. So all the dates, all the selections are changing dynamically now. It's looking neat, but there's one thing still missing, and that is this is good. The functionality is good, but how do I still take out key insights? Okay, how can I automate insights? So that's the discussion in this video, and let me show you a quick way in which we can start automating insights from the visuals. All right, so let's head over to our visualization pane, and let me first click on a blank area here, so where I want insights. If you hover on all the pane, on all the icons, you will notice narrative visual, and I'll click on that. So it will pop up a question that, do you want Copilot or custom? Let's go custom because I don't have Copilot for this one yet. So then what it will do is it will try to absorb information from everything that we have on the page and try to work out some summary. Um, and what I would do is I let this be so that, yeah. Okay, so I just unselect this button so that it can at least give me some and give me some output, but we can discuss that as well. So what it's doing is it's going through everything on this page and giving me information. What's the percentage increase between this date to this date? And yeah, so you can imagine if we tailor this narrative to, let's say, one insights commentary for the chart above and one for the chart below, you can literally tailor this to your need, and it can be automated. So if I now test this, if this changes dynamically, let's see. Yep, so it is picking up the right data. What I will do in the next video is use the text narrative, create another text narrative for the chart below, and again we will use edit interactions to build custom summaries. All right. Uh, Try on your own, see what you get out of this narrative visual. It is, I think, if used properly, we can do some great work here. All right. Uh, Thanks, guys.